Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Shopify for freelance merch sales, full guide step by step clearly. Start by signing into your Shopify account or creating a new one if you don't have an account. Once you're logged in, click on Settings located at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. In the Settings menu, select General to set up your store's basic information. Fill in your store name, address, and contact information. Next, navigate to Payments within the Settings menu. Here, you can choose your preferred payment methods such as Shopify Payments, PayPal, or others. Make sure to follow the prompts to enter your payment details. Now, move on to Shipping settings in the same menu. Set up your shipping rates by defining shipping zones based on your target market. You can choose either flat rates or calculate rates based on the customer's location. After configuring shipping, go to the Products section on the left sidebar. Click on Add Product to list your merchandise. Upload high-quality images and write detailed descriptions for each product. Once your products are listed, head over to Online Store in the sidebar. Click on Themes to select a design that resonates with your brand. You can choose a free theme or purchase a premium one. After selecting the theme, customize it by clicking on Customize to modify the layout, colors, and fonts. Next, navigate to Pages under the Online Store section to create essential pages like About Us and Contact. These pages help build trust with your customers. Now, go to Navigation to organize your menu items. Add your newly created pages to the main menu for easier access. Next, ensure your store is set to online by going back to the dashboard and checking the top right corner. Test your store by clicking on View Your Store to see how it appears to customers. Finally, you may want to set up a marketing strategy to promote your freelance merch. Consider using social media or email campaigns to reach your target audience effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.